Hi there, I'm going to show you how to change the battery in your WaveRunner key fob. Here's what you need. One of these replacement batteries takes a 2016. You can get these off Amazon. They're very inexpensive. There's a link below in the description. I'll take it straight there. You need a flat blade screwdriver and you need a small Phillips head screwdriver. So first, you want to remove these, or loosen these 6 screws that keep this watertight. Okay, so those are loose. I'm going to take this flat head, stick it in here, just gently twist. Alright, there's a seal that keeps this waterproof, and then the battery's on this side. I'm going to put my fingers on this so the screws don't fall out. It's best to do this on cloth so you don't lose anything. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and remove the dead 2016 battery. The new battery goes in positive side facing down. Put this on top. Squeeze that together and tighten your screws back up, and you're all set. Thanks so much for watching. Hope this was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.